here's how we can change the default voice line on the iPhone. Let me show you how it works. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials like this one. So first of all, it only works or applies if you have two SIM cards installed in the iPhone, which is the case for a lot of people. But if you have just one SIM card, that setting is irrelevant, right? But if you do have dual SIM setup, just go to the settings and tap on the cellular section. So you can get inside as such, and then the default voice line can be found right here, and it just basically lets you pick between the primary and secondary, or it depends how or which names you gave to your SIM cards, but you can see the phone number in here as well, and you can just basically switch between those and it's going to work just fine, right? And that is, the whole point is that when you open up the phone app and just type in a phone number and click on call, there is supposed to be one which you use primarily or by default. You can always switch to a different one in the like in the phone app in the top left corner, but you want to choose a default one, which if you don't change anything, that's the one that's going to be used. But yeah, that's it from me. I really hope that I could explain it well to you. Let me know what you think below. I really try to make these videos as concise as possible. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you later.